We're at Muscle Factory with Master Don, and he's going to put the girls through a tantric harem workout. What are we trying to accomplish with this? Not just about muscle building. There's other elements.
Well, that's right. Yeah, we're doing plyometrics, we're doing calisthenics, we're doing isometrics, and we're also going for that esoteric kind of release of the energy, and teaching the girls how to control their energy and also have fun at the same time. And of course they're doing it in couples, which means they get to feel each other's energy, they get to feel how it is to work with each other. And of course this gains lots of confidence. It's fun instead of just linear training, which we will do some of, that kind of weight stuff, but it's good fun for the girls to kind of interact with each other. They get to feel the strengths and weaknesses of each other as well. So it's a great way of equalizing the energy for the harem, a great way of doing it. And of course, all these exercises, the yoga, the Tai Chi, mixed as well with the calisthenics and the plyometrics and isometrics, opens up what's called the nadis, which is the energy centers. So the more the energy centers are opened up, the more Tony has to work in the harem. So it's great, so the idea is to make the girls so powerful. Tony can't take it, but he can, because if you look at him, what a guy.
I have to do my own workout to be able to keep up with their tantric sexual energy and performance.
That's right. So it's not just a linear workout. It also works on the nervous system. It's a great way of combining and raising the energy to a high level, so that the girls are not in this kind of entropy, they're not in this kind of chaos state. They're relaxed, they're focused, which can only be a good thing. And like this. I'll go with Pao, yeah? You go with Pao, you come with me, yeah?
Okay. You go with Pin. Pin go with Sara.
Yeah. Okay, so oh, Tony, okay, it's okay. Right. Watch me and Pal. Sit there like this. Put the foot inside like this, yeah? And push. When she says stop, stop, yeah? Yeah? You okay? Tell me when to stop, yeah?
Yeah, I'm good. Good.
It's okay?
I'm good. I'm good.
Wow. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop.
Stop, yeah.
Okay, stay there. Okay. Sarah, this one. One leg like this, yeah. And then. That's it. Good. Okay. Like this. Okay, cross your legs. Watch this. Watch this. Very gently, gently, yeah, gently. You do this to Sarah, like this. Tell me when to stop, Sarah. It's okay? Oh, good. Good. Yeah, I think this is it. See? Good. Good. Tell me when to stop, yeah? Oh, nice. That's it. Okay?
Yeah, good. Yeah.
Okay, Sarah, tell her to stop if it's too much, yeah? Oh, well done. Don't fall.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. Good. Have a relax. That's it. Change. Careful. Be careful. Okay. One leg. Bend your knee, bend. Push. That's it, again. Push. Push. Good. That's it. Push. Have a little rest. So the whole point of this is to feel each other's energy and have teamwork and work together as opposed to machines. Good. Okay. Let's see, have a rest over and see what they're doing. See? That's it. Bend your knees. Push, Sarah, push. That's it. Push. That's it. Push.
I can't do
That's
it.
it. That's it. Good. Nice, good.
ปีนทำดิลองดิ เพราะอะไรอ่ะ
It's only pain. Good. Good. Up. Good. Next one like this. Watch, pin, watch. You okay? Yeah. You okay? Sure, yeah? Yeah. Okay, here we go. And then down again. Easy, nice and easy. Try and get this bit to here, look. Yeah.
I think I cannot do with you.
No, I do it to you. Watch me, watch. Little bit,
Oh
look.
my god.
So just a little bit, look, a little bit. Tiny little bit. Easy. Okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Okay. That's it. And down again. Good. Well done. Next one, like this. Watch. Down like this. That's it. Just hold it, yeah? Just hold it. That's easy. Thank you. Pin.
อันนี้ไม่ใช่บอยแล้วอันนี้แมนแล้ว
Okay. My name, pal.
Easy. I can do
Yeah.
like this hour.
Oh, it's good. Nice. Okay.
เธอ bad girl ออกกำลังกาย
โอเค
น้อยกว่าเพื่อนเลย
Okay,
เปลี่ยน
right. So,
ปีนไม่รู้ปีนไม่รู้
we haven't got much space, but we're going to do 5 each. Look, 5 each. Look, look. 1, 2. Yeah. So you go first? No?
no
Okay. Sara, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give to Sara. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Switch. You go? No?
same
Oh, no. You
ปีน
just clap.
ไปลองดู โอเคนะ another she lazy one
Okay.
same
Yeah. Same again. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 5. One more. One more. 6. Good. Switch. That's it. 6 this time. Head. This time head. Touch the head, yeah?
หัว
Touch the head.
โอ้ย
Touch the good. Good. Touch the good. Good. Touch the head. Good. Good. 2 more. Touch the head. That's it. Touch the head. That's it. Good. That's it. 1, 2.
ไม่แถบ
Good.
นะ
3. Good. 4. Good. 5. Good. One more. Good. One more. Good. Well done. Excellent. 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 Great. Great. So now this one. Remember this one?
oh no I don't like that
Oh, no. That's it. So that's it. Good. 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 And roll, you know? That's it. Roll on your back. Like this. Good. Good. That's it. Good, Sara. Well done. Good, 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 good. Roll on your back. That's it. Good stuff. Good.
วันนี้นะคะเราก็อยู่ในรายการเชื่อสว่างชาแนล
Okay. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready, Sara? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready, pal? Give it a shake, Sara, for the camera. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Do some. I forget what they call it. That's it. That's it. That's it. Another shake. Another shake. That's it. That's the one. That's it. Give it a shake. That's it.
ไว้แล้วพันไง
That's the one. Yeah, last set. Good. Last set. Good stuff.